Eric here, getting out. Trying to defend cabin fever. Obviously all the fields are covered. Lucy's not covered. Jumped off in this creek. I walked it back in the fall and didn't. Found a broken base and thought, I'll just go ahead and come visit. So I didn't walk it all that much and just came across the first find. Pulled out of this creek anyways. It's got a broken tip, but it is what it is. Way more than I'd found in a field today, I bet. Hey, the joy of the winter weather, the winter wonderland. It's pretty cool. If I can find a point along the way, that's fine too. I didn't think it was going to happen. Been here, I don't know, half hour or so. Didn't see anything very promising. But I'm going to get off here and see what else I can kick up. Later, guys.